Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new step bit that I picked up. So I've been using step bits for years and they've been fantastic. They're not great for every situation, but they are great tools in the right situation. So sometimes you're limited, and depending, sometimes if you're trying to work in a tight area, maybe you got a panel behind what you're drilling into and you need to get up to 3/8 or 1/2 inch, whatever it may be, then a step bit like this might not work for you. That's why they have a variety of different sizes and depths. But this is one of the first sets that I bought. Very cheap set. I think I bought it on eBay many years ago. But I also have like cheap ones from Harbor Freight. This is their Warrior, and then this is their Hercules one, I believe. I don't know. It's one of their nicer one. It's the high-speed steel Cobalt. I have another cheaper one in my work box. I use these on a weekly basis. Not these ones. These ones stay at home. But I picked up a new one from ThinkWork. These I keep at home because it's a wide variety. I know exactly what I need at work, so these just stay at home. I use these on plastics, carbon fiber, sheet metal. I don't think I've ever used them on wood, but we're going to do some testing on wood just because I actually, out of all the things I don't have in my garage right now, is sheet metal. So we'll be testing it on a couple different products, some carbon fiber, some dual layered aluminum with plastic in the center, and then we'll be drilling into some wood just to see how this new bit performs. But it is going straight to work, so I will do an updated video in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But all of these just have a kind of a tri-lobe flat. They're almost round, but they have basically a flat on 3 sides just to kind of get it to lock into the chuck of the drill a little bit better. But the ones I like are the ones with an actual hex base. I mean, I guess you can throw it in an impact driver if you want. I always use mine in a drill. I don't like using these with an impact driver, but I use this one a lot. This one needs to be sharpened. I don't use this one anymore. It's got a big chunk missing out of the tip right here. There's a big chunk missing out of the tip right there, which really affects starting the drill bit. This one, I work with a lot of thin sheet metal, so while this one is much better than all of my other ones, it's too aggressive for the sheet metal that I work with the spin cut here, or the spiral, and just it being naturally a sharper bit than my other ones. It can actually almost tear into the thin sheet metal. So great bit, just not great for super thin sheet metal. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys the other ones that I have, but the one that we're going to be looking at, I actually came across. I recently was looking at some step bits on Amazon. I came across the brand, I think it was like Jurox or something. I just need a small step bit that goes up to 3/8. I don't need a full-size step bit, and I found one from Jurox that I thought was really cool. Then I saw a video from Last Best Tool about a step bit that was up to 1/4 inch. Really cool, tiny little step bit. And I looked, and they also had the 3/8 one in a Cobalt high-speed steel. And so I decided to get it because it was also a better price and it looked like a better bit. And it finally showed up 2 days later, and this is what I received. The ThinkWork step drill bit, single size unit bit, size 3/8. There's the model number. And yeah, I think it's really small. So now I'm waiting on another one to show up. Cool. This one was like $12 or $13. You can even get the non-Cobalt version for like $7 or $8. I opted for the Cobalt one, a little bit nicer. I ordered it, showed up 2 days later, and this is what was inside. Obviously, I showed you guys the clip, so that was nice. So I had to wait another 2 days for it to show up, and luckily this time it actually showed up. So here is the step bit that we're going to be testing out today. I'm not going to be like super abusive with it or anything because I do want to use it at work, but I guess if it fails now, then it wasn't meant to work at work either. So seems really clean. It's got a nice little elongated tip for starting the step bit, which I do like. It does have that spiral flute. Now it does just say 3/8. It doesn't, like on the other step bits, a lot of them do show the increments on each one. This one does not, it just shows it up to 3/8, but really if I'm using this bit, it's because I'm most likely just drilling up to 3/8. The thing that's nice about these step bits is not only can you create a hole up to the size that you want, but it's also really nice for opening up pre-existing holes. So if you're working with a 1/4 inch hole but you need to open it up, this steps it up instead of trying to force a larger drill bit in there or using multiple drill bits to get to the size that you want. This makes it quick and easier and doesn't tear up the hole. So step bits can be great in multiple different situations, and I use them all the time. But there you can see HSS CO, nice coating on it, and the tip seems really clean as well. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna move you guys over. But once again, this is a recommendation off of Last Best Tool. He did a review, was pretty impressed with them, and I think for the price it was definitely worth checking out. So once again, I'm gonna show you guys this in use real quick, and then I will be back in a few months more. You know, if this doesn't last very long, then I'll be back sooner than that, but I'll keep you guys updated on how this performs. But let's go ahead and drill into a few different items. Don't mind my workbench right now, it's a disaster. But like I said, you can throw this in an impact driver, like so. You could even set it to the screw mode and possibly use it. We'll try it out real quick. Which, like I was saying, I don't typically use a step bit on wood, as you end up with something kind of like that. So unless you're working with like a thin piece of wood or something like that, I mean, maybe there's some uses for it there, but or opening up a pre-existing hole that's going to go all the way through, but it's got to be, you know, 3/8. So there are definitely limitations when it comes to working with wood. I don't have any sheet metal in the garage right now, and I'm definitely not going to destroy my bit drilling through a plate like this. So I do have some carbon fiber with some pre-existing holes, so I'm just going to go ahead and open a couple of these up. They're just countersunk holes. Or if you just want to open it up a little bit, or if you just want to start a new hole. Seems to work fine on wood and carbon fiber, and this is used, you know, in my impact driver. Like I said, I don't typically use it in an impact driver. I'm usually using it in a drill, or I typically use it in my M12 drill, but that's in the work truck. But I do have this dual plated aluminum. This is from the wing wicker that I customized for my Camaro. We'll go ahead and see how that performs. Oh, like butter. Now obviously sheet metal is going to be a little bit more difficult than this, but I do like that starter tip. My other step bits don't have that. Who's going to clean this up? Not me. I really wish Milwaukee would spring load these things so it would kind of eject a bit. I suppose I'll show you guys what the holes look like without the plastic over top of it, because it looked like I realized what I showed you guys looked janky. But the holes are nice. That's just the plastic on the other side. But the holes are nice and clean. But just taking a little bit of a closer look at the bit, I really like that starter tip. Makes it really easy. But once again, I'm going to be using this almost on a daily basis at work for hopefully the next 2 months, and I'll let you guys know how this tip holds up, how it performs, working with various different thicknesses of sheet metal. Nothing too aggressive, but so far I'm pretty impressed with it, especially for what, $13. Let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have already picked one up. But I needed something that was shorter and went up to 3/8, so this was a good opportunity to test one out. And that is from ThinkWork, and they have multi-piece sets as well as singulars, smaller than this and larger than this. But the model number for this one is Whiskey 6218, up to 3/8. M35 HSS step drill bit for use on stainless steel, metal, wood, and plastic. I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.